A reliable vehicle can save you a lot of time, money, and effort. Having a reliable vehicle means you can get longevity out of the purchase and hopefully won't be unnecessarily unsafe situations or must pay for costly repairs. Consumer Reports has compiled a list of the most reliable vehicles that all have high rankings in the following categories: high miles per gallon, a smooth ride, steady handling, suspension systems that handle winding roads and corners well, and a comfortable cabin. Here are the vehicles named most reliable. Before we continue, please subscribe and hit the bell button on for more informative automotive videos. Number 10. Mazda CX-9. This stylish three-row SUV is quite engaging to drive, thanks to nimble handling that makes it feel like a smaller vehicle for buyers who'd rather be driving a Miata but can't live with a car that's so limited in space. Combining a kind of luxury interior, a great exterior, and surprisingly fun-to-drive base, it stands above many similar competitors. The CX-9's turbocharged four-cylinder engine provides adequate acceleration, and its chassis delivers exceptional driving experience. The crisp steering and sporty cornering attitude remind us more of a sports sedan than an SUV. A new mid-range Touring Plus trim joins the CX-9 lineup for 2022. It adds ventilated front seats, power adjustments for the driver's seat, black painted 20-inch wheels, and black grille trim. All-wheel drive is now standard. With the CX-9, Mazda applies its charismatic athleticism to a three-row family carrier with tempting results. Number 9. Subaru Crosstrek. The Crosstrek delivers excellent fuel economy and impressive ride comfort, along with superb handling that makes it enjoyable to drive on curvy roads. The 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine is combined with a continuously variable transmission. This combination works fine and gets 29 miles per gallon overall, which is among the best for small SUVs. A more powerful 2.5-liter is available and has stronger acceleration. There is a plug-in hybrid version with a 17-mile mostly electric range and 33 miles per gallon when operating as a regular hybrid. A special edition model joins the Crosstrek family for 2023. It's based on the premium trim and comes exclusively with a desert khaki paint, 17-inch wheels, and dark gray exterior trim. The interior sports two-tone black and red upholstery. The Crosstrek is based on the Impreza hatchback, and it comes with standard all-wheel drive. Its lifted suspension does offer enough ground clearance to tackle rutted dirt roads, but don't be fooled by its appearance. It's a car playing the part of an SUV. Number 8. Toyota Highlander. The latest generation Highlander retains its qualities of a comfortable ride and a smooth powertrain. Handling is reasonable for such size SUV and a ride is smooth. The hybrid version is less powerful but gets an excellent 35 miles per gallon. 7 and 8 passenger seating configurations are available. The Highlander's standard V6 engine has been replaced by a new turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder for 2023. The Highlander has plenty to offer, but in a highly competitive mid-size SUV segment for more than 24 vehicles, it's somewhere in the middle. The interior is nicely equipped with modern conveniences, easy-to-use infotainment, and a host of driver assistance features standard. The Limited and Platinum models do a good impression of a Lexus, with handsome leather upholstery, a premium JBL stereo system, and additional tech features. Despite all that, rivals such as the Kia Telluride and Hyundai Palisade deliver more luxury and third-row room. The Mazda CX-9 offers a nicer interior and better driving dynamics, and the Jeep Grand Cherokee L brings more off-road capability. Number 7. Honda Insight. The 2022 Honda Insight is the successor to the Civic Hybrid. With a similar size and shape as Honda's compact sedan, but an efficient gas-electric powertrain under the hood, the Insight is like a Civic that's quieter at low speeds and delivers better miles per gallon. The Civic's best characteristics are present here, including a comfortable ride, a pleasant interior, and accurate steering. It's a pleasant-looking sedan that doesn't cost more than non-hybrid rivals and will save you money with 54 miles per gallon. However, the Insight suffers from a very low stance, which makes it tough to get in and out of the cabin. Honda has announced that the Insight will be discontinued for the 2022 model year. Number 6. Mazda MX-5 Miata. Few cars deliver driving thrills at an affordable price like the 2022 Mazda MX-5 Miata, and it's the only affordable sports car with a convertible top. A 4-cylinder engine pairs with 6-speed manual gearbox, and an automatic transmission is available too. The Miata accelerates quickly when revved, yet manages 34 miles per gallon overall. Shifting the accurate 6-speed manual transmission is a joy. Even though the optional automatic works well, it dilutes the driving experience compared with the manual transmission. Quick and precise steering delivers sublime backroad handling, even though some body roll is noticeable. High levels of noise, thin and unsupportive seats, and a stiff ride all grow fatiguing during highway travel. Cabin space is tight, and the optional dialed control infotainment system takes time to master. Despite some compromises, the Miata's eager handling will delight driving enthusiasts. Number 5. Cadillac XT5. Cadillac has delivered Escalade-level luxury down to a smaller size with the 2022 XT5. The XT5's exterior styling is handsome and upscale. Its well-equipped cabin is quiet when cruising, and there's plenty of space for 4 adults and their luggage. A turbocharged 4-cylinder is standard, and a V6 engine is optional. None of them produces impressive performance. The XT5's ride can be harsh over dented roads, and this doesn't compare to the thrilling handling like you'll find with a Mercedes-AMG GLC class or the Porsche Macan. The XT5 Sport trim now comes with Brembo brakes with red painted calipers for 2022, and a new 20-inch wheel design is also available. Number 4. Toyota Prius. The 2022 Toyota Prius remains a remarkably efficient hatchback. Its wedge-shaped design aims to maximize fuel economy, but it's not aesthetically pleasing. The Prius returns 52 miles per gallon overall, which is excellent. The Prius is the only compact hybrid that offers all-wheel drive, but that doesn't improve its apathetic driving manners. The Toyota just isn't nearly as compelling as the Honda Insight sedan, and the Toyota Corolla Hybrid is less expensive and almost as fuel efficient. In 2022, the Prius lineup adds a nightshade model that's available in 3 different metallic colors: silver, super white, and midnight black. It brings black 17-inch wheels for front drive models and 15 inches with black lug nuts for all-wheel drive cars. Inside, heating for the steering wheel and front seats comes standard. The car handles responsively and rides comfortably. Colorful digital gauges dominate the dashboard with abundant fuel economy information. The car can drive solely on electric power up to 25 miles per hour, but the engine tends to moan loudly when it's kicked in. The Prius's seats have mediocre support, tire noise is noticeable, and the car's low stance makes it a challenge to get in and out. The 2022 Prius struggles for relevancy in a segment it helped to create. Number 3. Toyota Prius Prime. This plug-in Prius can usually drive about 25 miles on electricity only, but the gas engine tends to start up in cold weather and when quick acceleration is needed. When not running in electric mode, the Prime operates much like the regular Prius, automatically alternating between electric and gas power, returning 50 miles per gallon overall, which is slightly less than the regular Prius unless you maximize the electric power by charging often. The compliant ride and responsive handling are like those of the regular Prius. Number 2. Kia Niro EV. The Niro EV is a versatile all-electric hatchback that boasts an impressive EPA-estimated 239-mile range. That, plus a heavy dose of practicality and creature comforts, makes it one of the most livable new EVs. Compared to the Tesla Model 3, it has a more forgiving ride, a roomier interior, and easier-to-use controls. It also feels more refined and substantial than the Chevrolet Bolt and Nissan Leaf. While Kia's subcompact crossover is handsome enough, it can't match the cachet of those flashier alternatives such as the Mustang Mach-E or Tesla Model Y. Still, the Niro EV boasts the same practical elements. Number 1. Lexus GX. If your lifestyle includes the actual driving of trails to off-grid locations, the 2022 Lexus GX is one luxury SUV that will get you there in appropriate style. Its truck-like body-on-frame construction, 4.6-liter V8 engine, and adjustable suspension system will climb over almost any obstacle in your way. From the downsides, the GX isn't very fuel efficient and its on-road behavior is clumsy. Not to mention that other car-based crossover rivals offer more comfort. But the GX plays in a niche within the mid-size SUV marketplace for luxury off-roaders that also includes the Land Rover Defender, which makes Lexus a unique choice. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.